All right, my Solo Stove Mesa just showed up, and this is not going to be a pretty video by any means, but I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and a quick little look at what you get in the package. So first of all, here's the back of the box there. Got a little bit more advertising there. You can see it comes in colors. I just got the plain stainless. A little bit more of the box there. Nothing too fancy anywhere on here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the tape open and we're gonna get inside. All right, I'm filming this one-handed, by the way, obviously, so please bear with me. So it looks like we get a little information booklet here. Talks about getting started, some safety instructions. They're advertising their rewards program. That's pretty sweet. Looks like it comes with a sticker as well. And then you get this little carrying, I don't want to call it a case, carrying bag for the Solo Stove. It's just thin little fabric material. Nothing else in the box, so let's go ahead and take it out. All right, we've got it out of the box now. This is my first Solo Stove product, so if I get some of the terminology wrong, please bear with me. You can see it's actually a very small one. I'm an average size dude, and you know, it's definitely one-handable. So as far as what you get in there, you get your flame ring first of all. This would be the pellet adapter if you want to have your fire going with heating pellets instead of wood. And then down here you have your stand. We'll get that out later. And then looks like just a grate there, which I'm sure that probably removes somehow. I may have to read the literature to figure that out. But yeah, pretty small. And let's go ahead and put it all together. All right, so one note with the stand, when it unfolds, you have to kind of snap it into place. Otherwise, the Solo Stove does not seat in there all the way. You can kind of see how that looks though. Right inside is where that pellet adapter would go, and then the flame ring sits right on top. So yeah, again, that's pretty much about it. Just wanted to get a little first impressions and unboxing video out. This is maybe a tad bit smaller than I thought at the diameter on the top, mostly just because that flame ring cuts down on it. You don't need it, but still I would say this is absolutely perfect for a small little tabletop on an apartment deck, which is exactly what I'll be using it for. I also bought their fire starters, and then they also sell these little 4-inch strips of wood, which I'll crack open now just to show you guys. They should fit in this Solo Stove Mesa perfectly so that I can actually burn wood instead of pellets. So hang tight and we'll get that open. All right, we got the staples pulled, so let's take a look inside of here and see what we're dealing with. It really is just a straight up box of wood. They did say these should fit in the Mesa, so we're gonna go ahead and just take a quick peek here, remove that pellet adapter. And yeah, it definitely sits in there. It's not hanging out over the top. If you stand it on end, it's a little bit outside, but I don't think we'd be using that. So yeah, no, this is perfect. So based on these initial first impressions, I definitely think that the Mesa was the perfect size for me. And then if you can get the Solo Stove little 4-inch wood, the kiln dried, that is actually gonna be perfect for the Mesa. Living in an apartment, I don't have trees. I don't have sticks, so that's gonna be a must-have. So anyway, I will hopefully update you guys on a little bit more of this setup shortly, but for now I just wanted to get this out so people could see if this was the right product for them. So yeah, until next time, this is Nathaniel Bungie for TechSession. See you later.